Good day, everyone. Today we will be introducing the overall purpose of the program, which is to provide various accounting and financial functions. The code is built as a complete business assistant to manage several financial computation and record-keeping tasks. Now let's head into the main menu. This slide display the primary interface of the application, presenting 8 main options to the user. The user can navigate to generate reports like income statement, perform various calculations like depreciation, revenue, manage bank records, or access utility features. Next, let's get into the generate income statement. These features collects detailed financial inputs such as revenue, COGS, and various operating expenses to promote business profitability. The final output summarizes metrics like gross profit, EBT, and the crucial net income. Next is the depreciation menu. This menu provides option for users to select specific methods for calculating asset depreciation. Users can choose between straight line and declining balance methods before returning to the main menu.
Next is straight line depreciation. This calculation determines a constant annual expense by spreading the asset's depreciable cost evenly over its useful life. The expense is calculated as cost minus salvage value over useful life, resulting in an annual depreciation. Next is declining balance depreciation. This method applies a fixed rate to the asset's book value at the beginning of each year, leading to larger expenses in early years, starting with 100,000 pesos cost and a 20% rate. The depreciation amount decreases yearly, ending in year 5 with the remaining book value. Revenue menu. This menu allows the user to access tools related to calculating sales income. The user can choose between a simple revenue calculation or a more complex revenue forecast based on growth assumptions. Simple revenue. This feature calculates the total revenue generated from sales by multiplying the unit price by the quantity sold, based on the inputs of 100 pesos price and the 50,000 quantity, the resulting total revenue.
For revenue forecast, these tools project the company future revenue based on a starting amount and a compounded month growth rate. Starting at 5 million and assuming 15% monthly growth over 12 months, the forecast shows significant growth. Bank menu. This menu is a gateway to application cash management system which allow the user to simulate real-world cash movements by performing deposits and withdrawals and to review this history and current balance. For deposit, this screen illustrates the process of adding funds to the simulate bank account by depositing 300,000. The system confirms a successful transaction, setting the new balance of 300,000. For withdrawals, next slide po. This screen demonstrates removing funds from the account, a key function of cash management. Following the previous deposits, a withdrawal of 200,000 is successful, leaving a remaining balance of 100,000.
Next is transaction history. These features display a detailed ledger of all bank activities, recording the date, time, type, amount, and resulting balance for each transaction. Next slide po. Current balance. This is a straightforward query that displays the real-time cash position of the simulated bank account after the deposit and withdrawal. The current balance is confirmed to be 100,000. Save statements. This function shows the save statements log, a repository for all major calculations and final records performed by the assistants. Help glossary. This utility provides quick definition for key financial terms used within the assistance functions. It defines terms like COGS, gross profit, EBIT, and depreciation, serving as a quick reference guide for the user.
Reset all data. This is a maintenance function that allows the user to clear all in-memory data and start a new session. Upon confirmation, the program resets all balances, transaction histories, and save statements to 0. Exiting. This final screen shows the user electing to terminate the program via option 8 from the main menu. The assistant confirms the command and prints a farewell message before shutting down. Thank you for listening. That's all for our code.